Your Samsung phone is too quiet because the manufacturer has essentially put a digital leash on your speakers to keep them from hitting their true potential. You try to watch a video in a slightly noisy room, and you can barely hear a thing even with the slider maxed out. I'm going to show you how to break those limits and get the loud, crisp audio your hardware is actually capable of delivering. Stick around until the very end because I have a maintenance secret that cleans out your speaker grills using nothing but sound waves, which is going to save you from ever having to poke at your phone with a brush or a needle. The reason your volume feels underwhelming is that Samsung ships these phones with a hidden safety cap. It is basically a software governor designed to protect your ears and the speaker components from long-term wear. While that sounds nice, it means you are only using a fraction of the power you paid for. By adjusting these hidden menus, you are telling the phone to prioritize your listening experience over those conservative factory defaults. Let's get this fixed immediately. Open up the settings on your Samsung Galaxy and head straight into the sound section. From there, you need to tap on volume. You will see your standard sliders, but the real control is hidden. Look at the top right corner of your screen for the three-dot menu and tap it to find the Media Volume Limit option. Once you enter that menu, you need to toggle the switch to the on position. You will see a slider appear for the custom volume limit. Drag that all the way to the right to unlock the maximum output your phone can handle. This instantly gives you that extra kick that was previously locked away. Now that we have the raw volume, we need to make sure the quality stays sharp so it doesn't just sound like loud noise. Go back to your main sound settings and find the menu for sound quality and effects. If your phone pops up a message asking for permissions, tap Allow so the processor can optimize your audio in real time. The first thing you need to do is turn on Dolby Atmos. This expands the soundstage so the audio feels much larger and more immersive. Since some of you might not see the Adapt Sound option on your specific model, don't worry. Just focus on the preset settings in this same menu and select the Music preset to give your vocals a boost. This ensures your audio stays clear and punchy without getting distorted at those new higher volumes we just unlocked. Since you stayed through the setup, here is the maintenance trick to keep your phone sounding brand new. Over time, your phone speakers get clogged with microscopic skin cells and pocket lint that acts like a muffler. Instead of risking damage with a physical tool, go to any video app and search for a speaker cleaner sound. It is a specific high-frequency tone that creates physical vibrations strong enough to literally shake the dust out of the speaker mesh. Run that at full volume for about 30 seconds once a month. Now that your audio is finally loud and clear, you should check out how to optimize your battery settings so you can actually listen to your music all day without hitting a charger.